Your next guest sees investors getting burned if they have not been in energy, but is it too late? Savita Subramanian is the head of U.S. equity and quantitative strategy at BofA's Securities, no doubt champing at the bit, and it is champing, not chomping, by the way, to get into this conversation, Savita. And there's something you have pointed out in your notes, which I just love. You heard my point on ESG. Have you done any research to see that so-called ESG investors are finding ways, wink, wink, to own some of these energy stocks?
So look, I think that ESG investors have been buying energy companies because energy companies are a lot more investable today by ESG funds. And, you know, one of the things that's changed dramatically is the idea that that energy companies got the memo. They're no longer focused on production. They're focused on capital discipline. More energy companies have carbon reduction targets than any other sector of the S&P 500, little known fact. More energy companies actually pay their C-suite in alignment with meeting reduction targets. So this is really a sea change in the industry. I don't think it's just greenwashing. I think that this is one of these areas where energy companies are actually investable again for all the right reasons. On top of that, you have what looks like a super cycle in oil, supply constraints, gated capital. I mean, think about when smoking was ruled as causing cancer. Tobacco stocks proceeded to outperform the market for the next 30 to 40 years. I think this is one of those areas where the sector is trading at sort of a sin stock discount, but is likely to continue to outperform the market. And the surprise is that despite its stellar performance, we upgraded energy to an overweight in November of 2020. The sector has crushed it since then, but the average long-only fund is still markedly underweight the sector. So I think those are the reasons that we like energy. But I apologize, I have to stop there because I have a hard stop right now, but I like energy and I love being on the show. So thanks for having me.
Savita Subramanian producing herself. I love it.